to make another free meal. Yes, I have free veggie craft spaghetti, peas, lentils, and potatoes, so completely grain-free. I have free pasta sauce. I have free green beans. And I'm going to be it might seem weird, but I'm going to put them right into my pasta. And now this was not free. I bought a really good deal at Grocery Outlet. They had sliced cheese in a big bulk pack. I won't do that again because I froze half of it and now it's turned into crumbly cheese. So I'm going to use it in my some of this in my pasta to use it up. But this was discounted at Grocery Outlet in a bulk, in bulk. So nearly free pasta meal. Also, I pay the electricity, so it's nearly free. And there we have it. Another way to stretch a meal and have an inexpensive, budget-friendly meal. Just have to add some additional seasonings and cook it up and melt the cheese, and it should be delicious.